So, hello, welcome. I'm going to be playing this subterranean flood system game, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be playing. I'm gonna figure it out, explore. So, I'm gonna read the description and see what it says. Here, subterranean flood system. It looks big. Mm. Uh-huh. Okay. And worlds. Alright, let's see. If you don't find a way out of here, the murky waters may keep you forever. Make your way through a series of direct flood channels and search for the exit. Made for Spooktility 2023. Okay. I can't grab this. Anyways. So, I'm assuming I'm gonna have to find my way out. If this is too long, there might be 2 parts. But, I don't know. I'll figure it out. So, seems as I have a good amount of walking speed, so I'm not gonna be slow, so this is gonna be fairly fast. And I don't think there's fall damage in this game because I don't see a health bar, so I think I can just jump down there, make this even quicker. But am I gonna risk it? I wonder. Yeah, there's no fall damage, okay. And let's see here. Seems as I have to get up there. That seems like the exit. So I don't think I can make that jump. I think I might fall. I think this is part of the story though. Yeah, I didn't make it. Alright. Now on to the rest of this. Let's see here. So this looks like if we're on top of a lake, it looks like this is where it would be flooding. Alright. Ooh, I see a door. I'm gonna go there. That seems like the right area to go. This flashlight. I don't think I might be using it. Actually, wait. I might. It might be getting darker. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely darker. How we stopped? Oh yes, we stopped. Oh, whoops. I left my flashlight up there because oh my gosh. I wasn't holding on the button. I guess it's up there now. Ah, yes, the cameras. Anything else here? I don't think so. I'm gonna press this. Open the gates. Is that a good idea? Wait, I can swim in this, right? Because if I swim, I can maybe get back to the top. Let's see. Oh. Wait, is it gonna come down here? Yeah, I think we're good. Wait, the door's open, right? Yeah, we're good. No, it's coming through the elevator. Yeah, I should have not said those things. Well, I guess there's one way to go. That's up. I'm out of here. Seeing that it's halfway full and I'm halfway out, so hopefully I can make it there before the water top. And I don't want to die of drowning. That's not good. And if I have my head above the water, it could be fine. So it's halfway there and we have the last tunnel to go through. Yeah, we should make it. Or will we? I'm gonna go AFK right here. Not AFK. I mean, whoops. I didn't mean that word. Anyways, I'm just gonna wait here. Let's see what it's like. Well, I'm on the bottom. I should have done something about that. Well, at least I don't think I drowned in this game. It just, oh, water. Oh, that's a bug, I guess. Well, I guess I'm still swimming. Maybe that's like a... But if I waited here long enough my time... Oh, yep, I'm about to be at the top. So, here's the top. I press that. The water slowly rises. About... Alright, stops right before where I am. That's great. And since there's a big old wall here, that means there should be water over here, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Yes, I'm right. Okay. Now I'm under... Oh. There's way too much water. And it seems I've made it above the water level, I think. This stair should go above the water level. Yeah, I'm above the water level. Jeez, I'm a fast runner. In this game, at least. Oh, wait, is this the exit? Wow. I made it. Oh, here's the lake we're on. I made it out. Ooh, extra features. So, yeah, there was a subterranean flood system played by me. And I guess if I want to see the extras, I guess I'll do more videos of this. So, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. And I don't know. I'm new to YouTube, so do with that as you wish. See you next time, hopefully.